Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Distribution Minister Ramvilas Paswan will inaugurate an FCI godown at Manipur's Bishnupur district today. Paswan arrived in Imphal yesterday in a two-day visit to the state. He had chaired a review meeting of FCI operations, PDS computerization and other related issues at Hotel Classic Grand Imphal. Protesting against the failure of the Manipur government to nab the miscreants involved in the Makhan Kulen arson attack, the Makhan Union has called for an indefinite blockade on National Highway No. 2, Imphal-Dimapur Road from September 23rd midnight. On September 17, unidentified miscreants torched 10 houses at Makhan Kulen in Senapati district bordering Nagaland due to a land dispute. The protest to merger agreement, which the then King of Manipur Maharaj Bodhachandra was allegedly made to sign under duress on September 21, 1949, and to demand that the pact be rolled back, the National Revolutionary Front Manipur NRFM has called a statewide bandh today. In connection with a week-long Seva Saptah to mark Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 69th birthday, Bishnupur District BJP Mandal organized an awareness program on avoiding single-use plastics and promote water conservation for the students at Stanford Fortune School, Nacho in Bishnupur District yesterday. The program was conducted to spread awareness on the hazardous effect of single-use plastic to the students and senior citizens. The Meghalaya government has directed the local taxi drivers of the state to ferry passengers without overcharging them after serious complaints regarding the same have been received from the public. As per a report, the taxi drivers were also warned that if they were found carrying passengers above the permitted sitting capacity and charged fares beyond the government fixed rates, they will be penalized as per the amended rules of Motor Vehicles Act 1988, and their driving licenses might also be cancelled. The Congress is all set to replace its Assam party chief Ripon Bora. The AICC is likely to appoint a new president of the party in the state after the assembly bypolls. According to reports, a panel of 5 names including AICC General Secretary Bhupen Bora, Lok Sabha MP Pradyut Bordoloi, CLP leader Debabrata Saikia, Lok Sabha MP Gaurav Gogoi and former Union Minister Pawan Singh Ghatwar has been drawn up, but the choice is going to be tough due to various pulls and pressures within the party. The sludge of Anti-Narcotic Task Force ANTF along with Mongab police recovered 298.16 grams of heroin and arrested 3 persons with a vehicle yesterday. East Khasi Hills SP Claudia Longwa said that the team found the heroin abandoned in a bag on the roadside and in a tea stall in Pomlum, 7 miles in Upper Silong. 111 grams of heroin were seized from the tea stall and another 187 grams recovered from the roadside near the tea stall. This happened due to prompt placement of nakas by the ANTF team on receiving reliable inputs about potential drug deals at 7 miles area. More than 7,000 police officers are deployed for rallies in Paris today over the fears that Yellow Vest protesters and their radicals anarchist black blocs could try to infiltrate a march against climate change in the French capital. The Yellow Vest movement erupted 10 months ago and blindsided President Emmanuel Macron, who protesters accused of being out of touch with the needs of ordinary French people.